Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at something new that I've never done on the channel before. You all know probably that this is the Basics Collection Sheriff, as you can see via the back here. Basics Collection. This is a line of cars that was released around about 2017, 2018. Then they took a year break and came back in 2020 with a whole bunch of other releases like Fishtail, Danny Swerves, Tim Treadless, Cruising McQueen. There's a whole bunch out there, and they look very, very different to their 1:55 scale counterparts. For example, this sheriff here is very different to this sheriff that I just showed you just a few seconds ago. So yeah, I got this one on AliExpress just a few days ago, and yeah, he arrived really badly damaged. I've literally put blue tack back on the packaging just to show you guys it in packaging. But yeah, I also did get a Sarge as well. As you can see, he has a completely different expression compared to his 1:55, and you can see here it has a bunch of Chinese information as well with a nice sticker. I don't even know if I should be really showing you this, but I have, and I'm going to. But yeah, here is the sheriff I will be showing today. We can see he is the Cars 3 version, although it doesn't really make any differences whatsoever. And obviously the back of the packaging is in black and white, as you can see here, although it does use a promo image of sheriff as in the diecast one. These are made by Mattel, so yeah, this is actually a Mattel line. So I guess without further ado, let's take this blue tack off now, because it was just holding the packaging together, as you can see. And yep, there is the sheriff. Here we have the Basics Collection Sheriff out of the packaging now, and yeah, he looks really, really weird. I love the expression they gave him. And usually I would say he is diecast, but he is actually plastic. But I will be comparing him to the diecast version here, which is this one. As you can clearly see, there is a lot of differences. This sheriff, the plastic version, is actually way much more accurate to the movie than this diecast one here. There is also the Prison Series one, which we'll get later on into this video. But yeah, just for the time being, we're just going to do a 360 of sheriff, as you can see here. Obviously, if I get the light a little bit closer, you guys can see what I mean. Sheriff looks really, really cool. Obviously, 001 license plate, the same as normal. And there is the other side. And here's the base if you are interested, which is made in China with a K12D code, which is a really, really, rare code. But also you can see the plastic screws that they use there. Usually they use rivets on die casts. As you can see, this sheriff here, this is the 2026 Chinese version, because he has that chrome silver bumper once again. So yeah, you could just see the difference here. Obviously the mouth is open compared to the plastic one, where it is, well, it is open, but it's more like painted in. It's pink. As you can see here, the mouth looks really, really cool. Obviously the bumper is silver, and I do have to zoom out slightly for you guys so you can see the differences here. You can see the white wall ties are a lot more silver, as you can see, compared to the 1:55 scale. And you can see how much taller the plastic Basics Collection one is compared to the diecast one. Same with the sheriff, although it doesn't have Mercury down here, so that is a downgrade a little bit. So yeah, you can see it again on the side. So yeah, there it is, the sheriff. Obviously I did say I am going to compare him to the Real Actions video sheriff. You guys could check that video out in the top right hand corner, where I have reviewed him before. You press the back tires, and then their opposite tires will pop out. And if you a weird line by Mattel. Hopefully one day I'll get the whole collection so I could do a video on them. Yeah, you can see here the sheriff is pretty much the same. I mean, they probably used this one to, well, they probably used this one to take reference for this one, because this one came out before. That makes any sense. You can see here, this Real Actions one is slightly wider as well than this sheriff here. So yeah, there is a small amount of differences, obviously, except for the expression. You can see the base here. If you are interested of this sheriff. So yeah, really weird stuff. And now, obviously, I do want to show you guys quickly. I did get the Precision Series Sheriff recently on the channel. I'm going to have to move my camera here. You can see this is the most accurate Sheriff Mattel have ever made, because he has the extra aerials on the back, which is what he should do in the movie. But if you want a cheaper version, then go for the Basics collection. And if I put this on top, you could just see the differences compared to the Precision Series 1. Obviously, the Precision Series has the opening hood, but excluding that, you know, the 3 bits he has on the back, the antennas, should be accurate like the is in the movie. And if I do, I'll throw some images throughout the section. But yeah, there is Sheriff, and I obviously got this one from Get Me Collectibles a few weeks ago now. By the time this video goes up, I'll put my phone back down, and obviously I'm going to put him on the turntable for you guys, which is a new addition I got recently. So yeah, I don't know what to say about this Sheriff, if I'm honest with you guys. It is really, really good for sure. I mean, you could just take a close look at him again. I really wish they'd done more basic collection stuff from Mattel. I wish the line was still going around, but now they do the other series, which is currently in stores like Mexico and other stores in Europe. Obviously not the UK, which is a shame. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. Until the next video, which will be in a few days' time. Peace, everybody.